Some music video they sing and say jealousy, jealousy. I want a big salute country people. Them as they talk about this one a Pidgin TV News, Equinox Television with me as a Ekuleku will start with this same story or tell una too about this chapter for Muslim, the way that they enter this now today they start to make Ajimi for Ramadan where they come up after 30-day country people. Then we'll tell una too about this chapter for Taximan, where this so he and Ben Skinner the whole now this thing with the column. See this one Ben Skinner whole now Evander Holyfield and Mike Tyson for front Equinox here country people tell them too about this palaver for Ndokotiwe road for them na for that side day. Bonabe road will continue every day so country people them accident for Lokpom quarter. For front Majesty, this Kweti house so carry for and them day country people then will tell una too about this chapter 2:14 with the column. See this will put the thief motor the day for brigade yes brigade to route here for yesterday. Fake a foot the worker normal country people then the wait commission for normalization in says chapter. Now inside Pidgin TV News Equinox Television with me Eze Ekuleku Toride. I turn a big salute country people make us start with same story for today. Same story for today be say wait the same story be say the very rain where they fall on top tall man, now they fall on top short person. Same story for today. The very rain where they fall on top tall person, now they fall to on top short person country people them would to take the same story for Oga Samba, Mr. Samba for Barman that they thank you plenty supporting from you and darling with the visit Dwala from Kutapa they thank you so sincerely. Make we not to talk with this one today where Ajimi don't start. Ajimi starts today. And all side Muslim them for Cameroon like the one for the whole world. They respect Ajimi with the no must chop for some kind of time, no must chop soya for some kind of time, no must do kind thing with all time tonight this. I said Ajimi don't start today country people then. Now 4 o'clock, 4:30 we put in chop this morning time. Now so they cook, they do all things. Wait for evening time when they go do prayer. Yes, for past 6. Before you go see people and go start for the chop for this country put it. For this kind of chapter they talk about and say Ajimi tell this time when they say no more chops after we sun don't come out. They must remain so respect all the Quran they talk country put them. Help neighbor help neighbor if you no get them. If you get them, no be that kind of must neighbor help neighbor. No. A1 and neighbor help you get chop for person where you no get them. Help the one the way they poor. For this country put them. Respect all to Quran say me respect. Respect your papa and mommy they all put for this issue where they talk about them. So that time is for prayer plenty for ask God anything, ask Allah anything we can for you. Now for 30 days, it finish after 30 days. So then they make faith to the Ramadan for this country people. So here they talk about for all this chapter and it's kind issue them. It fit the take place so kind to champoli we fit the happen for this chapter in so country. People, them situation for all them as they talk about us, it's supposed to be happen. Now they talk, they must prayer for this time for Ajimi so country people them. Now we'll talk about this other chapter, chapter for Domo. I say even tell Equinox say I no one go find news. News they can meet up Equinox. For Mobi Bonakwamo here they call and say Carrefour Equinox country people them. Wait happened for the yesterday. Taximan poop, Ben Skinner poop. Today taximan now. I said tomato come off for him up. First wait, you know the taxi and Ben Skinner na ever war. Now it is. Taxi and Ben Skinner na ever war contribute them. The thing were there for that window for that 2 people. Now let them sabi. Yes, now let them sabi. And as they talk about and taximan is say this so he want pass so he quack Ben Skinner and Ben Skinner this. Ben Skinner will go one time go get taximan blow. Hear that? He go one time get taximan blow. Box taximan wonderful one for this person. They talk about this issue. Hear that? Box now so as he can talk about for this issue. Wait happen taximan now block just a come mob tier na tier. Police can for they take out and to say this so bagarre public. Nous, police n'est jam motif. Ils ont un bagarre sur la voie publique. Coup et blessure, na so taxman one follow that man with drive machine. And so the matter and so contribute na so the chapter take place today. And then do move for this side the front equinox pass mark. Do move for this with the country people them as can to still divide them. For then and then before police now, and take them any man explain which way it can happen. So police now take them for that side now call a chief. Then they can't take the commissariat for wanted for premier on small. You see the man they say me give dossier and all they explain which way it can happen to this so. They don't touch it in the service this one. It's embouteillage. Before it happen now, they don't can just turn boxing for this whole country. People that are sitting, the man even talks so blood, even come up place to pass mark. Then all the way be on top of deny for make any community for this country people them. Uteksta na go for Ndokoti weti happen for Ndokoti. They I say tunnel Ndokoti. All four corner for tunnel Ndokoti. For pass a day, you must work on with your foot. Bicycle self no pass. Bicycle self pattern no pass for this country. People them know this. I said tunnel Ndokoti self pattern self no pass for day. Wonderful thing that's not here they talk about for this issue then so. I say country people man work on with your foot for here. Oh man, they work on with your foot. When I wait here, you see this work we don't start since 2 weeks today. Now they train the pass up. But for down there, come out tunnel Ndokoti. Go that side there for place to the council of Baba Prefecture. No way. Come out tunnel Ndokoti. Can't up for Carrefour Ndokoti. Mba no. Tunnel Ndokoti go back from Doksimbi Mba. Tunnel Ndokoti go down that side for James Onobiono. So for the two. Trouble and trouble Rubiden. As we can't take and waiting to happen for that side for tunnel Ndokoti today. Can't wait for things we can't take place today. Look at the block road outside city so they fix on a fixer. People they complain now say they must carry kako now for head or for your hand. I issue the now so and they don't know time we road safe. They go finish or fix on for the tunnel Ndokoti in a day. Trouble don't be so for 2 weeks now for the suffer. They suffer and they suffer for the so. We go to for place where they call and see this one now for Bonapelide, road for Bonapelide to can reach now. Come out right, can reach for 1.8 do it take for Sunday they will take 6 hours. But for inside the week, Monday, Tuesday, they take Sute now only 3 hours for this and this. I said that tunnel now what? They don't long say pass tunnel now, they call and say this in a corridor. Corridor for come out for place where they call and say right. Carry your place where they call and say wrong point they do or for breach for Bonasamadi. But this matter so people they suffer. Suffer pass mark. All this one is so for route. Wait for turn self go back no day. Wait for go remain for Southwest or for Bomono or for Suza say begin to dream Mulu for that side before they come with the coach. No way. All man on tight inside so now only for go before tell the other one and go. Come for back, tell the other one and come so contribute. Wonderful part, no turning round. Ain't no day for that side day for route. When they talk about town, see another side for place we call see this Bonapelide route day so. Anyway, come out Southwest, come out West, come out Suza Bomono Mbanga. Enter Dwala Suna suffer. No too plenty and pass mark for this before one can display a say wrong point. They do for Sika work way for this country people they must not get time for this chapter and so we turn for all this side the situation them for this country people them. Other one they carry the kako self now for hand carry themselves for their head work out time because we know the for no way for that side to country people now so them can take place all the work will take place for the. We're talking about this accident for Lokpom Day for French Majesty Kweti E compound. Now, that's for Rompoem, Carrefour, and them for the not far from GDE place for this country. People don't know what happen. Person died for this motor. Yes, person died for that motor for contributing. Die for them in how? We don't come out calm. We don't drink Molusute. He won't come out and a suicide one committer on a witty. Person if you understand. Really come on, you one can jump or put a motor for back. Scatter person motor for back, scatter and that one go jam your friend for front. 8 to go jam your own friend to for front, 6 motor be the day where they call for friends, sick carambolage. I say happen for yesterday, person within say remote, now die. Die sleep for this with the movie, Dreyfus and Afos and come out and inside the motor you did it. As look what happen, even Ben taking to be there inside the accident for the country. Jam and pass marks to still himself touchy. Better one they taking now. Go down for places where they call say mortuary for hospital. Look for Bonamusaji, look as it in can't happen with imaging. She will be sorry. Because now imaging where they use her now with this thing where they call her for this series where they use her with camera. Yes, I mean camera for telephone. Now capture the the image too. Although the image even clear past some image for some camera them for this country people them. So now there way person a quarter for the. We go for place where they call and this brigade container, peloton routier motorisé for that side for village the country people them. Everything can take place now for the now this one must. Now the brigade that too. And for this side, we like garage with the office for CB routier. Commandant de peloton routier motorisé. Now for here, we by source of Ndam, they order the capture security. We put in thief moto. Thieves on Toyota Corolla sang on a sang this with his force or woman. Then a red color moto there to contribute them. Move all DPC and the bronze study DPC the moto now. Move contact, cut contact with the marina and direct. Put batteries in a corner this to contribute them. As he put in drop. DPC in that. You see, François c'est Antoine. Antoine c'est François. Look at. François c'est Antoine. Antoine c'est François. And they don't accept this, so they will go now for go DPC moto all for sale and for cash. Cash moto now say na kan yabasi. Look at. Now this man get the moto. He say no na you. Now this man get the moto. He say no na you. Now this man get the moto. He say no na you. My own now what you must say. All them for hand for routine for the. Just when I must talk through. Wonderful matter. Toto tire nama. Nama tire toto. As when I get on so it things. God, they happen for all this chapter and for routine and for that side to country. People in a situation that will happen for day. Bamusi. So I will go play with the call and see this fake food for your own for Tinga Day. It happen for fake food for Tinga Day so country people. Them work down the worker for day as a way to commit the normalization. Like this. Roland Akong take with go for Tinga Day for the fake food office. All gendarmes they don't come up for day. They know they again. Police know they know Kamamburu. Now only grow bread in for that side day. Yes, we they put on for day. Grow bread of fake food now only they in security. Yes, if you not be and talk for this city, so work don't start the worker fine. And now they receive facts and alternatives so they wait till make the one we get for happen now as Ngomna toxic go talk ye and FIFA then they try to put committee normalization. That means people will kind of work for the and nobody people they can put bomb for that side they all this issue them for this country put it. They talk about for can we and can palaver them where it can't be happen for years to contribute them to the experience. Work done the work now. All thing they go better and they go find to place where they call them for the country people in for food office to country to all this chapter is work the worker fine for all the issue they explain now for the so. Now this morning of getting for now for that said the country to engineer Edmond de Bamenda Dean. We talk say thank you plenty for Ipule Steph Ajax the Bonatiki HTC. Tata got love and Mukube Robe them footballer here, Ogalai de Cape Town Kumad look we country people them. Emos Wango too be the corner Joel Essenge for that side the Francis Boyon for technical side. Alain Zingi AZ to day for that side this country. It don't shake small for go beko. Inside the matter so country people that seen happen. They say clear make your face shine as we talk about them. So if una see my back, we'll be let the front. Bye bye.